the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the employment notification for faculty positions like the professor, associate and assistant professor in one of the central university in India, that is CUO, that is Central University of Odisha. So here we can see the notification in this one. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you need not to set separately in the Google. So while coming to the notification, first here the total number of posts are mentioned as 87, including all the different types of teaching positions. And here in this table, the number of vacancies as per the teaching positions, and here the academic pay level is also mentioned. So in the professor 15 and associate 28, and for the assistant professor 44 vacancies are there. So assistant professor, it is a level 10 category. So for the level 10 categories, the qualification required is the post graduation and UGC NET qualification in the particular department or discipline. And the last date of online application form is given as 31st July 2020, but this date is extended, and the extension notification is also there from the Central University of Odisha. It is published on 15th July 2020, mentioning that the last date is extended up to 17th August 2020, and the receipt of hard copy of applications 7/9/2020. Okay, so these are the extended dates, so please note this one. The candidates who are not yet applied and who missed this opportunity, so still the opportunity window is open here, so you may apply up to 17th August 2020. And if you're having any doubts or queries regarding the sending of applications or filling the application, anything, so you may put your query to this mail ID, or here the contact number is also given, so you may call to that one. And while coming to the department, so whatever the departments, and based upon the caste category, how many vacancies are there, here you can check in this table. And coming to the departments, starting from the English and Odia, Sociology, Journalism and Mass Communication, Anthropology, Economics, Biodiversity, Mathematics, Education, Hindi, Sanskrit, Statistics, Business Management and Computer Science. So here the vacancies are announced from the total 14 departments. So you can check down carefully whatever the departments you belongs to, and whether the required qualifications is there or not. So coming to the assistant professor here, either A or B. So A is nothing but master's degree with 55% of marks. Anyhow, some concession may be allowed based upon the caste category on the percentage of marks in the post graduation. And apart from that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET SLET or SET qualification must be there. So if the SET SLET or NET is not there, then the PhD qualification is the mandatory. So, or while coming to the B category, the PhD degree must be there from satisfying these all ranking universities. Okay, so these are the eligibilities and the pay scales and the requirements and the last date. So all the details are clearly given here in this notification. So you please just once go through this one. For more and accurate details, visit the link that I am providing in the description box of this video. Then you will be directed to this notification. You will get the complete details. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and please subscribe this channel to get the more notifications, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.